Another Epic Flow production.
Okay. So good afternoon, Mr. Imposter. Is there anything you would like Jamaica to know? The whole I will see up on the video.
I want them to know that I'm not that type of a person.
But me not understand you. The whole of Jamaica see up on the video and enjoy yourself like anyone and shaky boy them in the gully. How you explain that?
I am different. I'm a preacher.
Yes, different cause you're a preacher. But what kind of preacher you be and a suck dildo? What kind of scriptures you teach people them say? Where you teach them say? Dildo suck in verse 1 chapter 2. Me no remember the scripture when the Lord said thou shall place thy dildo into thy mouth and suck it. Where you really try to tell people them say?
I want them to know that they must.
No man, you don't want them to know nothing man. You need to stop suck dildo and stop go up and bust boy and preach up in a people's face.
People have been embarrassing me on the street.
And you embarrass yourself.
It's by the work of God.
God, none of that is the work of God. Lucky them never lick you down.
And people have stoned me.
Just stone alone.
And people take stick to lick me down.
So why you really put the dildo in your mouth and suck it and make people video it? You never know say them things that did happen.
I was forced by them.
Forced.
You see, I could never do better more than what they said to do.
Now you look so happy I do it.
Yes?
You know what I mean? I believe nothing will come out of your mouth though.
I wonder why.
If I forced you. Oh, you look so happy in the video I do it. You did happy?
Yes?
So you finally admit you do it willingly.
Willingly, off my own mind.
Come out of my studio. Come out of my studio.
Epic out here. Epic Flow production.
Radical Epic.
Epic
See?
Flow.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
Yeah! Yeah, man, you don't know a thing set, man. Man, put in the work, so just bossy look like if you like your video, no, man. If you don't like your video, bossy look or dislike, no business. Just interact with the video, you see me? Yeah, man. I'm out. Epic Flows production.
Epic out here.